the fun read, Adam. I got me on touch, but I mean, Challenge Super Dad issue number 6. So then all the big Super Dad, yeah, David Amazing. I said, yep. Now, you went to Harvard, one out, even though I love Super Dad, all the time. Adamant before, time and time again. And then I miss Super Dad. The 5 thing I did say people as on them. Well, not good chapter 5. It's a fun story, yep. So, yeah, it should be fun. Again, what do you mean that? Well, you'll find out, So, doing by the engine, yep. So, hi Moo. Yeah. Super Dad. Bye. Autumn. As you can tell from my intro, you can tell you about this book. Why? You'll find out. Let's get started. The card out with the name Wayne now to go. True is, you wouldn't believe me if I told you. My sister Super and I were traveling into the past when I found out that the old Jettigre for Veriside Felix Fab had apparently been working together for centuries. They may all them went into our mind. If you find the truth that they'll be losers. Being our fathers. You know what's Jettigre time again. Yep. Long story short, they plan a long-term spell that plot to kill each of you. So I prevent for the find their defeats. I sit there lying and wait for each of you to die. Yep. Lucky think the friend we escape back to the now with the ancient scroll that effectively give a limited time cheat code for them murderous plans. Probably they're fail state that if you view this to any of you will mean instant death. Yeah, kind of death note basically. Yep. So anyway, Hawko. That's what I'm to make. There we go. And then I like. Wait, oh yeah, right. I did that. Oh, like. My assistant. Yeah, super active. At the cat, like hold his breath for so reason. Yeah. Hey, there you go. You went to tell us she sucking out all the way pointing this guy that Egyptian just stop you like you from in the dead. I never said why you awkward said so much down up over garbage. What? That Hawko. Why could the beast in her head become an old and funny? Do you super or something? Okay. Really sing off. Move! Sweet Simple, you fight your head out if you lose the guy, don't want to hurt. What's up you? Okay, but you'll be fine. I'm just holding you. What? Why? Buzz! I walking to get my Buzz! It's not that soon, then why are we going to Boom, do. Hey, don't get short too late on it. Grab! Point in the air, touch it now! How many is the red one again? A dollar. Under the blue, it doesn't matter the image. Oh, well, I sure better. John's out there to get a balloon. Sorry, my boss, I spoiled him. I suppose you did pay the crown and John to get rid of the gas. And John, you tried to kill me! No, I did. That's how I did. I just what Dog said to you. That's funny. Hey, there we go. Okay, you got to that point before Hawko bleed anyway. Between now and my roleplay whack, there's no doubt we've done good work today. But we gave a gold crown story now forget. We'll tell you what about if you got a need like crown. God happy. Yeah. Anyway, down we go. We need a good. If it's not something we came from the past. I know we are missing. My sister I had to find Laura and use your knowledge. There's nothing changed. Nothing with the man and what the scroll says. Well, currently we got nothing. Anyhow, there we go. We had to find Laura and traffic before we got the Hawko message. So what did pick up we were? As in chapter 3. Yeah, so this picks up after chapter 3. So we'll come back in the present now, either we're in the past. I know it's confusing, but times are really confusing. And and we see a point along the way where we can smell the devil and pull it out. Uh-oh. You will send it. Uh-oh. Get away, you pounds. I'll go in there. Wait, I'll go in this plane. No, wait, we can't. You're so cool. I'm sorry. I hate kids. That's good. And long story short, John gave me the flight back to Laura. Well, Rosa. It was on here. Hey, Mom, you said to give that next mom back her money. I ain't not taking care of the match on the Goji. This is hypervision where the surfer crew at the way law went. They're not doing hypervision. He's been touched by me. Wait, what is that? Yeah, they didn't get to do the quarter vision. What the quarter vision? Apparently, Batman banned the idea for past crises. Okay, I didn't know they even had that device. And then you might be aware that anyone got time displacements. And then we can hopefully show you all movement track her down. Then she can help us say the rest of the judge agreed. Unfortunately, well, we'll define them, but yeah, they got caught by a savage. Uh-oh. I wish you hadn't. Welcome to the future, boyos. Your end's here. And that's how the comment savage showing that's the longest game. Wait, what? That's it? No, I want more. Yeah, whatever. Yep, that's the comment. Yep. What's this? Let's have a track down video loader and the rest 2%. What's going on next? What's going on to the boy? What's going on after the Super Gen? What's the how we have to do what the judge agree? See you next time. Send Super Gen channel. Send Super Gen time as a comment. Yep. I am. As you tell my recap now, you tell you about this book. Why? You'll find out. What's it? You always say by Mac Trainer. Mac Trainer, all of them is so great, so adorable, so cute. And then he gets John Damon, all is beautiful. It's very dedicated, it's so cute, it's very savage. Like, always great, talented, all beautiful, no intent done. All of that's great. Look at the story itself. Okay, on the out of all the chapters, this one's kind of the weakest because, well, we didn't get to see Hawker and John Dane fight each other. Yeah, we see Hawker getting knocked out. And we see John Anthony with the poison in his mouth. And that's about it. Which is kind of annoying. But I get it. We do because the Doom Skull might be killed or just or that. But come on. I want to see Anthony that rotate mace fight. That wasn't funny. Oh well. Despite that setback though, this actually was still a fun chapter. And seeing John trying to get the poison guy is funny anyways. Because it's so funny. Speaking of John, let's see what the how you get the poison gas? Right? Yeah, the way you get the poison gas in the balloon, that's hilarious. That's so funny. And John, you gotta kill it. That's how you go Super Gen. Because it's comedy, it's hilarious, but also it's serious. It's kind of hard to both. It's funny. Take note, writers. This ain't like good comedy series. Why don't I have to kill the family members in time? I think it's hilarious. Like, this is why I love Super Gen. It's awesome, dark, bad. Well, okay, not dark, but awesome, bad, but also really cute. Like, that's why it drives me insane. We watch Super Gen, the crap from Bendis is garbage. Ugh. Still though, I watched chapter better voice. It's kind of shortest because I'm hoping the season to go back to the present. Thanks to Loza, but we didn't really get to see that, which is a shame. But boy, guys, still a fun story. Oh, speaking of the Korean, let's get the Hulk go. Okay, Hulk come on and shoots him on toys, and it's so funny. You try to explain it, but then David said, no, we can't explain it, and they leave. That's so funny. Well, that's great. That's even so great. The bad. I love it. Speaking of, let's get any mistake. Yeah, having Savage actually track them down might be not surprising me because if it's Savage, it's immortal. First of all, second of all, I knew that the Savage would try to find and track them down eventually it's gonna happen, but I didn't expect to find it this quickly. I was hoping you get to see more after John Thompson's entry, but you don't know. Oh well. Floyd got it's still pretty good to decide to find Peter at the end of the story again, even though we just see him in the past. Technically speaking, who knows? Now, what's that plan at the end of all this madness? We have no idea. I just got that we do know his plan. Planning to kill Justice League, and it looks like he may only succeed because Rosa. If Rosa dies, then yeah, that's bad. Who knows? All I know, Chapter 7 is gonna do a Johnny Venom Savage, but that's gonna be fun. I don't know what the hindsight said, but I'm very intrigued to find out. I spent out with Savage and Boy Madness. Because Valentine is immortal, and but he's super intelligent, so my bet he probably knows some way to weaken John, and maybe also weaken, and maybe like not kill him, I think maybe knock him out probably, but who knows. I'm going to find out what to wear next. Heck, even the Sultan said, no, he got me said, good man, said, right, I don't, said, lame. What? The more, he just got his pillow somehow. Well, that's so meta, I love it. That's how the Super Chat went to mind right, it's so great. What is that for? Well, this is my favorite chat, the Super Chat, far from it. It's probably the weekend out, or the series of all. It's still a fun story. My complaint is it's super short. But that's what I give talking about a DJ series episode a week back. Yeah, because I had about 4. Why not challenge me having 4? I just don't like it. It's super short. That's so annoying to me. Like, oh, like I want more Super Time, damn it. But for what we got, it's still a fun story. It's still a fun line, and I imagine you actually really good to be Venom Savage. Like I said before, I just want to be a longer chapter, but like I said, this is a series that always short, which does frustrate me. But oh well. For what we got, it's still a fun story, and I'm very sure that I'm with our boy John Damon. It's been Venom Savage, but that's gonna be fun. And damn it, I'm in John Damon being a team, damn it, and so now I can have in the menu for that bullshit the record that I got. But before we got, it's a fun story, I'm very sure you have it next. Now, like I said, for how you put the 3000 Savage, I have no idea. But I'm very sure I need to find out. It's better to find out how to defeat Venom Savage and Faust by John Damon. That's gonna be cute. But until then, we'll wait to see it. But anywho, on top of speaking of Super Star, I'm hoping this show does so well, so maybe, just maybe, we can bring my Super in the menu. We can that I can John Damon at the team, damn it. And since I get on the menu to go like damn up, we can please after what this succeed, after we get more Super Star, more Super, damn it. But like I said, until then, we'll see it. But anywho, on top of this, don't find chance to my issue number 6 on anyway. We'll take a chance to chapter 6. So one with the point in the same crown and balloon. Icon we day. 4 out of 5 stars. Is it perfect? No, it's good. Yeah, my favorite issue all the time. It's good. It's a fun story. It's not my favorite. I'll chat that in chapter 5, my favorite story, and then chapter 4. I think both chapters are my 4 superior. But what we got, the fun story, I'm still very treated having that. I'm still treated to defeat the Doom Scroll. I'm one of the treated to be very savage and, well, Faust. But until then, we'll see it. But anyway, don't buy China Super Chat issue number 6. It's supposed to be part on pre-all comment number 2. You better the main story. Do like it, do it. Oh, have you China Super Chat? What's going to happen actually with our boy John Damon that reads Venom Savage? Pre-all comment number 2. Also, I can figure it on Twitter, pre-all scum and channel for Superstar. Look at the bell icon, need to have a strong story. But like as you can, and have long live Super Chat. Woo, see ya. Bye. Summer Super. Woo, see ya. Bye. Super. Bye.